soaring higher. Serving with a purpose has always been proven to bear fruits of success. Under the directive of Mayor Christy Angeles, we conquer every feat. Flag raising ceremony.
We have to serve our people 5 things lang. Serving our people with love, humility, kindness, patience, and understanding. Put this by heart. Siguro when I step down from being mayor by next year, memorize na ninyo itong 5 virtues na ito na kailangan naka-instill sa mind natin bilang kawani ng gobyerno.
Angel Love for All. People's Day. Kasalan at Barangay Balete.
Ang kasal ay isang napakasayang okasyon na puno ng mga pag-asa at pangarap sa buhay. Tayo po ay natitipon ngayong araw na ito upang ipagdiwang ang pagmamahalan ng ating mga ikinakasal at saksihan ang kanilang pag-iisang dibdib at mga bibitawang pangako sa isa't isa bilang mag-asawa.
Booming progress and development in Tarlac City. Tarlac Industrial Estate groundbreaking ceremony and project launch.
Nangarap din po tayo na sana naman, beke naman, pwede naman magkaroon din ng ganitong development dito sa Tarlac City. And true enough, God in His infinite goodness and generosity turned this dream into a reality with today's groundbreaking of Tari Estate.
Government Digital Transformation Seminar. GrabTrike App Meeting. Uplifting communities through collaboration. Assistance to individuals in crisis situation payout.
Lahat po tayo gusto natin ng maunlad na Tarlac City. Kaya napakahalaga po na ang mga pipiliin natin, mga taong may puso, pagmamahal at malasakit sa ating mga kababayan.
Informal Settler Families Orientation for NHA Pabahay Program. Local Development Council General Assembly. Coordination meeting to address water supply issues. Support to cultivate professional growth. Labor Day celebration. Search for talentadong manggagawa and employers forum. Work immersion students orientation and deployment. Safeguarding public health. Mass anti-rabies vaccination for pets at Barangay Akyok and Lourdes. Free medicines from Angel Pharmacy. Free vaccines for animal bites. Free dialysis treatment. Angel Wings of Public Service. Poultry inspection and monitoring at Barangay Bora. Downtown Public Market and Riverwalk Market stalls drawing of lots. Infrastructure projects for sustainability and development. General repairs and maintenance activities. Road safety and traffic management. City Accounting Office. City Budget Office. City Treasury Office. City Human Resources and Management Office. Like an angel's wings that stretch up the sky, Mayor Christy's leadership will continue to elevate the city's potential. Our shared vision will continue to inspire us to soar higher. Magkaisa, bawat oras, sama-sama.